So we shall continue with arithmetic progressions chapter. So in earlier class we had discussed various concepts involving arithmetic progression. We discussed about definition of arithmetic progression, the terms, the meaning of a term, first term, last term. Then we studied about the general form of the nth term of an AP. Then we also studied about sum of n terms of an AP and how to derive the values. Okay, I had given you 2 assignment questions also. I hope you have completed those assignment questions, so which I will be activating today. So along with today's assignment you have to upload yesterday's also. Okay, so shall we start with that? So I will be continuing with exercise 5.2 questions only. Okay, so we had stopped at 13th question yesterday. So students, remember, so I'm here, I am almost doing each and every question of NCERT exercise. Okay, so here goes your 14th question. So how many multiples of 4? How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? Lie between 10 and 250. How many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? So I'll give you 20 seconds of time. Please try to solve this. Try to solve this. So the hint is between, they are told. So between 10 and 250. So first we have to check. So first we have to check with this number. Is 10 divisible by 4? No. So which is immediate next number? So 12 is divisible by 4. So therefore my A is 12. That is my first term is 12. Then is 250 divisible by 4? So again my answer is no. So which is the immediate term? 248 is divisible by 4. Therefore my last term is 248. So what will be my series? What will be my AP? So starts from 12, next will be 16, next will be 20, so on till 248. Is that correct? First term is 12, next 16, because we have to check for the multiples of 4. That is the question given. Multiples of 4. So 12, 16, 20 are all multiples of 12. And what should we find out? Therefore, I have to find out what is n. That means I have to find out number of terms of AP. Number of terms of this AP. This is my given question. So what is the answer? Did anyone get the answer for this question? Yes, yes, many of you are saying it is 60. Yes. So what is the method that I can employ? What is the method that I can use? It is very simple. I know an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula is known to be nth term. So what is an? An is nothing but the last term. So let me say, therefore 248, or that implies 248 is equal to, what is the first term? First term is 12 plus n is what I have to find out. What is d? So I can calculate d from here. So d is equal to 16 minus 12 is equal to 4. So that implies 248 is equal to 12 plus 4n minus 4. So simplifying this, 248, 12 minus 4 is 8, which will come this side, is equal to 4n, which implies 4n is equal to 240. Therefore, n is equal to 240 divided by 4, which is equal to 60. Therefore, I can say 60 terms lie between 10 and 250, which are multiples of 4. Is that clear? Anybody having any doubts? Is that clear to everyone? Yes. Abdul, Ananya, Bhargav, Chittaswarup, Diksha, Likit, Meghana, Niharika, Nikita. Is it clear to everyone? This is quite easy question. Yes, it is clear to everyone. Shall we move on to next question? Have you noted down this? Have you noted down? Please note down this explanation also. Why I am saying this explanation is after some time, if you want to revisit the solution for same question, it will help you. The explanation part will help you. Obviously, I would have uploaded the video also. Yesterday's video has already been uploaded. This video also will be uploaded today itself. So, yet, please note down this. Okay. Shall we move to next question then? Yes. For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs equal? So this is very important. This is very important question. Okay, this is very important question. Please make a mark on that. So try to solve, students. So try to solve this. The question says, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs equal? Yes, anybody with the answer? For what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? So what are the given APs? 63, 65, 67, so on. This is my first AP. Then also they have given 3, 10, 17, and so on. This is my second AP. So for what value of n are the nth term? Nth term of two APs equal. So how do you solve this? So we have to utilize our general form of sum of nth term of AP. So nth term of an AP. What is the formula for nth term of an AP? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So for this AP, what is a? 63. Am I right? For this, what is d is equal to? For this series, d is equal to 65 minus 63 is equal to 2. Any doubts here? Is that clear? For this series, what is a is equal to 3. What is d is equal to 10 minus 3, that is equal to 7. See, students, it's very easy, very important for us to make an observation that the first series jumps by value 2. That means 63, 65, 67. So it is increasing by value 2. But at the same time, the second series is jumping by value 7. So if it is starting at 3, then suddenly it becomes 10, then suddenly becomes 17. So it is like the two APs are in a race. Okay, two APs are in a race. The first AP is already in 63rd position. The second AP is 3rd position. That means it is very behind. So, but what is happening is your second AP is running very fast and trying to catch up with the first AP. Okay, I will repeat, listen to this very carefully. The AP starting from 63 and going on as 63, 65, 67. So my first AP is taking small steps. Okay, 63, 65, 67, like that it is increasing. But my second AP, even though it is starting at very small value, it is starting at number 3, but it is increasing with very fast numbers. That is, 3 is becoming 10 suddenly, 10, 17, then it will be 24, then it will be 31, 38, 45, 62, 69. So like that it is increasing in a very fast manner. So we have to find out the value of n where both of them will meet. That is our aim of the question. So how do I do that? So let me represent first AP. So for first AP, what is A? A is equal to 63, D is equal to 2. So therefore I can say AN is equal to, what should AN be equal to? 63 plus n minus 1 into 2. Is this correct? So this is my first equation. Is that correct, students? Now for second AP, what is A is equal to 3? What is D is equal to 7? So therefore what will be AN is equal to 3 plus n minus 1 into 7. So this is my second equation. Correct? So as per the given question, therefore from question, the nth terms should be equal to each other. Correct? That's what they are told, are equal. The nth terms are equal. So equation 1 should be equal to equation 2. My nth term of first AP should be equal to nth term of second AP. That means 63 plus 2n minus 2. I am opening the brackets here. 2n minus 2 should be equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. I am opening the brackets here. Any doubts here? Anybody with any doubts? Yes. So that implies 63 minus 2 is 61 plus 2n is equal to 3 minus 7. So 7n I'll write as it is. 7n I'll write as it is. 3 minus 7 is minus 4. So now what I'll do, 61 plus 4 is equal to 7n plus 2n, which means 9n is equal to 65. Is that correct? So n is equal to 65 by 9. Yes, correct, Abdul. Yes, see, I would like, see, this is a very important thing. This is minus. You should be able to identify this. 7n minus 2n. Therefore, n is equal to 13. Is that clear to everyone? Is that clear? Anybody having any doubts, please let me know. Did everyone understand? This is very important question, students. This has been asked many, many times in your board exam. Many times in your board exams. Okay. So you can say this is D question. Shall we move to next question then? Shall we move to next question? Yes. Be quick. Okay. Determine the AP whose third term is 16 and the seventh term exceeds the fifth term by 12. So it seems very easy when we read. This is also important question. Determine the AP whose third term. So we are involved with A3. So whose third term is 16. So A3 is 16. The seventh term, that means A7, exceeds the fifth term, that is fifth term. Exceeds means what? Which is bigger? Is seventh term bigger or fifth term bigger? Which is bigger? Tell me. Seventh term exceeds fifth term. So this is English. Seventh term exceeds the fifth term. So which term should be bigger? Is it seventh term or the fifth term? Yes, the seventh term. Exceeds means what should I do? I should do the subtraction. That means A7 minus A5 is 12. Any doubts with this? If you are able to do this, remaining is extremely easy. There is nothing to worry at all. If you are able to write these two, it is very easy. That means we have converted our statement into mathematical equation. Correct? So third term is given as 16. So once I know the third term, what can I do? I can write it. How can I write it? So A3 is 16. That means A plus 3 minus 1 into D is 16. Am I right? Am I right with this? That means A plus 2D is 16. So this will be my equation 1. Any doubts with this, students? Is it clear to all of you? Please be quick. Please be quick. A3 is 16. So I have written the formation for this. A plus 3 minus 1 into D. So what is A? A is first term. What is D? D is the common difference. So now A7, what is A7 is equal to? A plus 7 minus 1 into D. That means A7 is equal to A plus 6D. Similarly, what is A5? A plus 5 minus 1 into D. That means A5 is A plus 4D. So now I'll do the substitution. What substitution will I do? Here I will make the substitution. For A7, I will write it as A plus 6D minus of A5 is nothing but A plus 4D. So I'll put the brackets is equal to 12. That means A plus 6D, opening the brackets, minus A minus 4D is equal to 12. That means AA will get cancelled. 6D minus 4D is 2D is equal to 12. D is equal to 6. Correct? Is that correct? Everybody got D as 6? Yes. Once I have got D as 6, what will I do? Put D is equal to 6 in equation 1. Equation 1 is this. So if I do that substitution, what will I get? A plus 2 into D is nothing but 6 is equal to 16. So A plus 2 into 6 is 12 is equal to 16. Therefore, A is equal to 16 minus 12. That means A is equal to 4. So therefore, AP is given by 4, comma, next will be 4 plus 6, that is 10, next will be 16 and so on. Is that clear, students? Is that clear? Yes, good, Bhargav, you have got it. Bhargav has got it. Then who else gave me the answer? Who else gave me the answer? Yes, Bhargav got. Good, good. Did everyone understand this question? This is also very important, students. Did you understand the solution for this question? Should I repeat any section or any part? Yes. Do you feel this chapter as easy? This is an easy scoring chapter. So how do you feel for certain part to be removed from this chapter? This was an easy chapter. They have removed one topic from this. It is easy. Yes, initially it will be little confusing, Siddhant. It will be little confusing, but once you master this, it's very easy. All questions are repetitive. Only is front back, they will be asking the questions in little twisted manner. That's all. Shall we move on to next question then? Yes, shall we move to next question? Everybody ready for next question? Yes. See, I told they will ask here and there. There will be no many confusions. What have they asked in this question? This is very important question. What have they asked here? This also is important. Why it is important is, it is very important from making observations. Okay, very important from making observation. What observation? They have said, let me read the question. Find the 20th term from the last term. Find the 20th term from the last term of the AP 3, 8, 13, so on till 253. So if you remember, I had asked you some question in, I think, first or second class of this chapter. I had asked you, if it is 25th, from 25th to 34th, how many terms are there? I had asked you. Do you remember this kind of question what I asked? Do you remember? 25th to 34, how many numbers are there? I had asked. Similarly, I had asked you to find out 20 to 32, how many are there? Correct? So here the main important point that we have to remember is, they've asked a 20th term from the last. So I have to say from the last means this is one, then this will be second, third, fourth, so on. So what is the best way of solving this? What is the best way of solving? So the best way is, students, remember, the best way, I'll give you the hint. So instead of writing the given AP in given form, we will write it in reverse order. Yes, Diksha, that is correct. We will reverse it. That means we will write it as 253, comma, what will be my next term? After 253, what will be my next term? Tell me. Yes, it will be 248. Why is it 248? Then it will be 243. So on. 13, 8, 3. How did I come to this conclusion? So what I used is, I used the common difference method here. That means if I take the given AP is in this form 3, 8, 13, so on till 253. So I found out D is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. So for forward AP, what I have to do? What should I do? I have to add 5. But if I have to reverse the same AP, what should I do? I should subtract 5. Is that clear to everyone? That's how I get the reverse order. So in the forward order, if I had added, for the reverse order, I should subtract. For the forward order, if I had subtracted, then for reverse order, I should add the common difference. So that's how I get my reverse AP. Once I have got my reverse AP, it is very easy to find the 20th term. So what is 20th term? Tell me. What is 20th term? A plus 20 minus 1 into D. That means what is A is equal to? A is 253 plus 19. What is D? D is minus 5. Correct? How, Niharika? How is it 348? You made this minus, you did not take it as minus 5. I think you took it as plus 5. That's why you get it as 348 or something. Yes, yeah, that's what. You must not make this mistake. You must keep in mind why you have to calculate freshly from here. How do I calculate? D is equal to 248 minus 253 is equal to minus 5. We should not skip this step. In that case, there are chances of making mistakes, like how Niharika got it. So 820, Divya says minus 5. How can it be? Your first term is 3, so last term is 253. You are trying to find out some value in between. There are no minus values in between. Siddhant got it as 158. Anybody else? This is simple. I have given you the answers already. 19 Faiza. How much is 19 Faiza? Yes, correct. Yes. Is this question interesting? You should write the statement. Therefore, 20th term from the last is 158. This is very important. You must write this. I hope this is clear to everybody. Any doubts anywhere? Is it clear to everyone? No doubts. Is it clear? Yes. Shall we move on? Yes. Try to solve this. Yes. Got the answer? Yes, I know, Ananya. It was muted. I was asking about your answer sheets, whether you have all uploaded or not for today's test. Yes. So sum of fourth and eighth terms. Sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24, and the sum of sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. So that's what they have asked. Those who could not submit, don't worry. I will make an announcement at the end of the class. Now you don't worry. Now you just listen to this. Okay? Just listen to this. So sum of fourth and eighth terms of an AP is 24. And sum of sixth and 10th terms is 44. Find the first three terms of AP. Find the first three terms of AP. Anybody got the answer for this? Anybody got the answer? Let me know the answers. What you have received. What you have got. Yes, no one? No one got answer for this? So first you tell me, as I told, the words must be converted to equations, mathematical equations. So let us read the first part. Sum of the fourth and eighth terms. So fourth means A4 and eighth means A8. And they have told sum of the four. So sum of A4 and A8 is 24. So this is one equation that I should get. As well as, what is the other one they have told? Sum of sixth, that is A6 and A10. Sum of sixth and 10th terms is 44. Correct? So once we have got this, we have to start substituting. How to do substitution? I will do the substitution directly, students, this time. So what is A4 is equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D plus, that means this plus as it is. A8 is A plus 8 minus 1 into D is equal to 24. That means A plus 3D plus A plus 7D is equal to 24. That means A plus A is 2A, 3D plus 7D is 10D is equal to 24. Now I can take 2 common, so it becomes A plus 5D is equal to 24. Therefore, A plus 5D is equal to 12. This is equation 1. This is equation 1. Next, A6. So this part, A6 is equal to A plus 6 minus 1 into D plus A10 is nothing but A plus 10 minus 1 into D is equal to 44. So that implies A plus 6 minus 1 is 5, 5d plus A plus 9d is equal to 44. What is A plus A? A plus A is 2A plus 5d plus 9d is 14d is equal to 44. 2 is common. So A plus 7d is equal to 44. Therefore, A plus 7d is equal to 22. This is my equation 2. Did everyone understand this? Did everyone understand this? This is very important. Listen to my teaching. When I am doing, please listen. Stop solving and please listen. Is this clear to all? So what should we do? We should take both equations together. So A plus 5d is equal to 12. Then A plus 7d is equal to 22. So now what should I do? I should go for subtraction. That means I had told this was my equation 1, this was my equation 2. I will do 1 minus 2. If I do this, how will I get? A plus 5d minus A plus 7d. So that means first equation minus second equation is equal to 12 minus 22. So A plus 5d opening the brackets minus A minus 7d is equal to 12 minus 22 is minus 10. So what happens now here? A will get cancelled as it is in minus their opposite signs. 5d minus 2d is minus 2d is equal to minus 10. Therefore, d is equal to 5. Correct, Sharat. D is equal to 5. Next, if I substitute d is equal to 5 in first equation, what will I get? A plus 5d is 5 into 5, that is 25 is equal to 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 minus 25, giving me answer as minus 13. So A is minus 13, D, so what is D? D is equal to 5. So first three terms means what will it become? First three terms. So what is my first term? First term is minus 13. Next term will be minus 13 plus 5. That is nothing but minus 8. And the last term is minus 8 plus 5. That is minus 3. No, not yet uploaded, Vibha. It will be uploaded in the app. Okay, not yet uploaded. So what are the three terms then? So what are the three terms, students? What are the three terms? So minus 13, minus 8, and minus 3. Yes. So Diksha had asked, so I will explain once again. Is this clear, Diksha? Anybody with, should I explain everything again? Or is it clear to everyone? It's clear. Anybody with doubts, please let me know. Don't hesitate. Please let me know. Diksha, should I explain in each step? Anybody else? Tarun, Saumya, Niharika? Yes, anybody, any doubts? Should I explain any part once again? Pavitra, Samarth, Sharat, Sanjana, Shashank, Shobit, Abdul, Meghana, Arban, Ayush, Vibha, Vedant, Tarun. Yes, okay, no doubts. Sanjana, good. So shall I go to next question then? Yes. Subbarao started work in 1995 at an annual salary of rupees 5,000 and received an increment of rupees 200 each year. In which year did his income reach 7,000? This is very, very straightforward question. This is very, very straightforward question. Correct? So let us convert this into statement. Subbarao started work in 1995 at annual salary of rupees 5,000. So that means his first salary was rupees 5,000. So that will be our first term. And received an increment. So what do you mean by increment? It is increase. So what will be the second year salary? So it will be 200 each year. That means D is 200. Correct? No? D is 200. Now they have said, in which year did his income become rupees 7,000? Means my AN is 7,000. I have to find out what is N and which year. So he started at 1995. That means A was corresponding to 1995. So in 1996, what is his salary? 5,200. 1997, what will be his salary? 5,400. 1998, what will be his salary? 5,600. 1999, what will be his salary? 5,800. 2000, he got 6,000 rupees. Next, 2001, what will be his salary? 6,002. Sorry, 6,200. 2002, it will be 6,400. 2003, it will be 6,600. 2004, it will be 6,800. 2005, it is 7,000. So in 2005, in which year they also 2005 did his income reach 7,000? So it reaches 7,000 in 2005. But if you write the solution like this, you will get 0 marks. You will not be awarded marks. Correct? So what is the methodology that we have to implement? We have to find out N. So how do I find out N? I use the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is the year when it becomes 7,000 rupees. A is the first salary, which is 5,000 rupees. Plus I have to find out N. D is what he got increment every year, 200 rupees. So that implies 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to N minus 1 into 200. That means 7,000 minus 5,000 is 2,000 is equal to 200 into N minus 1. That means N minus 1 is equal to 2,000 by 200. 200 ones are 200 tens are. Therefore, N minus 1 is equal to 10, which implies N is equal to 11. N is equal to 11 means what? The 11th year. So he started at 1995. So 1995 is the first year. So if you do 1995 plus 11, you are going to miss the answer. Okay, it should be 1995 also should be considered. So 1995, 96, 97, 98. So let us count here itself. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So N is equal to 11, 11th term. So this is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, 9, 10, 11. So I have to add how many? I have to just add 1995 plus 10 is equal to 2005. Did you understand why I added 10 instead of 11? Did you guys understand? Yes? Is that clear to everyone? Remember earlier method, if you start counting, that is 2,000, 5,000, 5,200, 5,400, 5,600, you will not be given any marks. Remember. You will be asked from this section. Shreya's question is, will we have such type of question this year? Application in daily life. For nth, this is nth term basis. On this they can ask. What they have removed? They have removed for the sum of n terms. Okay, so they can ask. So you have ample amount of time, students. So don't worry about what is new syllabus and all. Why? When we discussed the syllabus, it was for your better understanding. You have ample amount of time. You can finish everything by October, November. Everything, including old syllabus, also you can finish by October, November. Only thing is you have to start regularly from now. It is possible. Okay, so don't worry about the syllabus. Yes, the counting method is simple and easy. What will you answer if I ask what will be his salary in year 2030? You have to keep on counting, correct? Or if I ask when will his salary become 1 lakh rupees, you have to start counting. So that will lead lot of amount of time, waste of time. Okay, shall we move on next? Shall we move on to next question? Yes, in this question only it is easy, Siddhant, correct? What you said is correct. It is very easy to count, but you are not supposed to do. Yes, shall we continue? Yes, Diksha, you are correct. He will be dead by 2030. Correct. How many of you think he will be dead by 2030? Which year are we in right now? 2019. So 2030 means another 11 years. That's all. 2020 to 2030, how long? Another 10 years. We are in 2020. 10 years. Okay, fine. We'll move on to next question. Yes. Am I fast? Are you guys finding it fast? Should I go slowly? Okay. Let's go to question number 20. Okay. If Jeevan is smart, he is saying if he gets corona, he will die. Then you need not wait till 2030 also. Correct, no? Jeevan. If he gets corona, if he's not able to recover, then not even 2030, 1 or 2 years only he will die. Okay. So this is the last question from this exercise. So with this, we will be concluding this exercise. So Ramkali saved ₹5 in first week of a year and then increased her weekly savings by ₹1.75. If in the nth week her weekly savings become ₹20.75, find n. So I'll give you hint for this. This is your assignment question. Okay, this is, I'll give you the hint. The hint is first her savings was ₹5, then first week of a year, then increased by her weekly savings by, they have told. When you say, whenever you encounter by, okay, you should add. Remember this. This is very, very important. By. So I had ₹5. I increased it by ₹10. Means what? My new income is 5 plus 10. It should be like that. So if it was 5 means next it will become 5 plus 1.75. That means 6.75. This is the new savings. Okay. So with this, you please find out what is the value of n. If in the nth week her weekly savings became 20.75, that means it is very simple. A is equal to 5, D is equal to 1.75, and AN is 20.75. You have to find out what is n. Why AN is 20.75? They have asked ₹20.75 if in the nth week. They have told in the nth week. So you have to find out n. So I have given you this much hint. With this you have to solve. It is very simple, very straightforward question. So this is your assignment question. So for yesterday's and today's both classes together, I will be uploading that assignment. So you have to please solve all the 3 questions. Yesterday I had given 2 questions and this question totally 3. You have to solve it and submit to me. Okay, with this part, the exercise is over. So if you get any doubts with any numerical problems after watching this video again, if you get, you can message me in the app. I will reply you over there only. Okay. Okay. Divya has got it as n is equal to 10. Let's see what others also get. Fine. Okay, students. Shall we close this session then? Yes. Okay. Next, coming to your test. The test uploading part is available till 8 o'clock. So you can do that up to 8 o'clock. Okay. So no issues. Those who could not upload before starting of this class, you can upload now. Up to 8 o'clock, it is open. Okay. With this, I'll close the session. Fine. Okay. Bye bye. I hope you did well in the test.